Are you tired of feeling wired but exhausted, jittery after your second cup of coffee but struggling to focus by 3 p.m.? What if I told you there's a better way to get sustained energy, sharper focus, and a calmer mind without the crash? Today, we're diving into adaptogenic coffee alternatives, the wellness trend taking over from LA to NYC. I tested the top brands for 2 weeks, and the results might surprise you. Plus, I'll share easy recipes you can make at home. What are adaptogens? First, let's talk adaptogens. These aren't just trendy wellness buzzwords. They're natural herbs and mushrooms that have been used for centuries. Think of them as your body's personal stress managers. Unlike regular coffee that spikes you cortisol and can leave you anxious, adaptogens like lion's mane, reishi, cordyceps, and ashwagandha work with your body's natural stress response system. They help you adapt to stress, hence the name, without overstimulating your nervous system. The mushroom coffee market was valued at $2.6 billion in 2022 and is projected to reach $4.3 billion by 2032. From wellness cafes in Venice Beach to trendy spots in Brooklyn, adaptogenic lattes are everywhere. Even celebrities like Gwyneth Paltrow and Tim Ferriss are endorsing these alternatives. The coffee problem. Here's the thing about regular coffee. It's not just about the caffeine. When you drink coffee, especially multiple cups, it triggers your adrenal glands to release cortisol, your stress hormone. This creates that familiar energy spike, followed by the inevitable crash. Studies show up to 20% of adults experience anxiety, rapid heartbeat, or digestive issues from caffeine. If you're one of them, or if you're just tired of the roller coaster, adaptogenic coffee might be your solution. Most adaptogenic coffee blends contain 50 to 70% less caffeine than regular coffee, around 48 to 50 milligrams versus 95 milligrams. But here's where it gets interesting. My 2-week experiment. I replaced my regular coffee with 3 popular mushroom coffee brands for 2 weeks. Here's my honest review of each one. First up, Ryze Mushroom Coffee. This blend combines 6 mushrooms: lion's mane, cordyceps, reishi, shiitake, turkey tail, and king trumpet, with organic coffee and MCT oil. The taste? Creamy and slightly earthy, but still recognizable as coffee. With 48 milligrams of caffeine, I felt a smooth energy lift that lasted hours without the heart-racing buzz. My focus was incredibly sharp during morning work sessions, likely thanks to lion's mane, which studies show may boost nerve growth factor for cognitive support. Next, mud water. Technically not coffee, it's a cacao chai blend with lion's mane, chaga, reishi, cordyceps, plus turmeric and cinnamon. With only 1/7 the caffeine of coffee, it's perfect for caffeine-sensitive folks. The flavor is rich and spicy, like a cozy hot chocolate with warming spices. I noticed sustained energy and a calm vibe, perfect for avoiding jitters. However, it's definitely an acquired taste if you're a black coffee purist. And finally, Four Sigmatic Focus Blend. This pioneer brand combines organic Arabica coffee with lion's mane and chaga. At 50 milligrams of caffeine, it tastes smooth with a nutty, dark chocolate-like finish. This was closest to my regular coffee experience, but left me feeling clear-headed and productive, not wired. Perfect for mushroom coffee beginners. Here's the breakdown. Ryze offers the most comprehensive mushroom blend, but has an earthier taste. Mudwater is lowest in caffeine with anti-inflammatory spices, but isn't true coffee. Four Sigmatic tastes most like regular coffee, but has less mushroom variety. The jitter-free promise. All 3 brands delivered on the coffee without jitters promise. Instead of the sharp spike and crash I usually experienced, I had steady energy curves. Lion's mane supported focus, cordyceps boosted stamina, and I never felt that anxious, overstimulated feeling. The sustained energy came from the synergistic effect of lower caffeine with adaptogenic compounds. By day 4 of my experiment, I actually preferred this steadier energy pattern over my old coffee routine. Ashwagandha, the game changer. Now let's talk about ashwagandha.
the stress-busting adaptogen that's showing up in coffee alternatives everywhere. This Ayurvedic herb contains compounds called withanolides that have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties.
A 2023 study found that ashwagandha supplementation improved executive function, attention, and short-term memory. It works by modulating cortisol production and supporting healthy adrenal function. Research shows ashwagandha can reduce cortisol levels by up to 30% in chronically stressed individuals. This reduction allows for better sleep quality, improved immune function, and more stable energy levels throughout the day. The benefits are impressive: stress relief, sustained energy without crashes, mood support, improved physical performance, and better sleep quality. It's particularly popular among millennials in high-stress careers like tech, finance, and creative industries. The science behind functional mushrooms. Understanding the science helps explain why these mushrooms work so well. Lion's mane contains hallucinones and aristinogens that stimulate nerve growth factor production, crucial for memory and focus. Cordyceps improves oxygen utilization and ATP production at the cellular level, translating to better endurance and reduced fatigue. That's why athletes love it. Reishi, the mushroom of immortality, supports immune function and promotes relaxation with its triterpenes and polysaccharides, perfect for stress relief. And Chaga? It's packed with antioxidants, including superoxide dismutase, making it one of the highest antioxidant foods on the planet, surpassing even blueberries and goji berries. DIY recipes. Want to try these at home? Here are 3 easy recipes that'll give you that wellness cafe vibe in your own kitchen. First, ashwagandha cacao latte. You'll need 1 teaspoon ashwagandha powder, 1 tablespoon cacao powder, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon honey, a pinch of sea salt, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Heat your almond milk, then whisk in all ingredients until frothy. This calms stress, boosts mood, and satisfies chocolate cravings while providing magnesium for muscle relaxation. Recipe 2, Lion's Mane Vanilla Cinnamon Latte. Combine 1 teaspoon lion's mane powder with brewed coffee or chicory tea, vanilla, cinnamon, oat milk, and a teaspoon of coconut oil. Blend until creamy for that cafe-quality froth. And for hot days, cold brew Adaptogen Refresher. Mix cold brew coffee with reishi and ashwagandha powders, maple syrup, coconut milk, and a dash of sea salt. Shake with ice for a refreshing, low-caffeine option. Pro tip, you can find these ingredients at Amazon, Thrive Market, or Sprouts. Look for organic, third-party tested products for the best quality. Making the transition. Switching doesn't have to be all or nothing. Start by replacing 1 cup of regular coffee with an adaptogenic alternative, preferably your afternoon cup, to avoid disrupting your strongest caffeine dependency. Try mixing regular coffee with mushroom coffee in decreasing ratios over time. Start 75-25, then 50-50, then 25-75, until you find your sweet spot. Keep a journal noting energy levels, mood, and sleep quality. Most people report noticeable effects within 1 to 2 weeks of consistent use. Remember, the energy will feel different, more sustained, but less intense. That's actually the goal. Conclusion. Will adaptogenic coffee alternatives completely replace your morning espresso? Probably not, and they don't have to. This is about balance, not deprivation. You can enjoy regular coffee when you need that intense focus boost, and choose adaptogenic alternatives when you want sustained energy without anxiety. They're perfect for students, entrepreneurs, busy parents, or anyone seeking a calmer approach to their daily energy needs. As Dr. Lauren Powell says, adaptogenic mushrooms provide functional benefits without overstimulating the nervous system. This isn't just a trend, it's a shift towards mindful wellness. Whether you're at a cafe in Austin or making your own blend at home, adaptogenic coffee alternatives offer a smarter way to stay energized and balanced. If this video helped you discover a better way to fuel your day, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more wellness content. Drop a comment below. Have you tried mushroom coffee? Which recipe are you most excited to make? Check out our other videos on natural energy boosters and caffeine alternatives. And don't forget to subscribe to our Health Morph newsletter for weekly wellness insights and clean recipes. Until next time, here's to sustained energy and balanced living.